guys, welcome. This is Deepika from MyTutorialRack.com. And do you know what is one of the most high paying and high demand career right now? That is the Salesforce Data Cloud Consultant. So if you want to go ahead in your career, definitely go for becoming a Salesforce Data Cloud Consultant. In order to become a Data Cloud Consultant, the first thing is you need to get certified. You need to have the Data Cloud Consultant certification. And for this certification, you don't need any programming knowledge. If you have the basic understanding of what Salesforce is, or even if you just have an admin certification, it's not a required certification. There is no prerequisite for taking this particular certification. You can directly go for Data Cloud Consultant certification. And in order to prepare you for the Data Cloud Consultant certification, I have two courses that I highly recommend you. One is a video course by me, which prepares you from the perspective of the study guide of the exam. It covers all the topics in detail in a very practical and engaging manner. That is the number one course I will recommend you. And the second course is a practice test course, which contains about 120 questions with answers, including explanations for each question. So these are the two courses that you will need in order to pass your Data Cloud Consultant certification exam. And a lot of companies are paying top dollars for Data Cloud Consultant. So do check out both these courses, and not only they will help you to get certified, they will also prepare you for the real world scenarios. The course is designed in such a manner that you will be going through the real world problems and solving them. It is covered in a very practical manner, and thousands of students have already taken this course and have gotten certified. So do check out the courses. The link for the courses are given in the description of this video. A lot of students get stuck preparing for the certification because they go ahead and go through unlimited amount of blogs, trailhead, and not reach anywhere, because the way they are preparing is not the right way to prepare for the Data Cloud Consultant. The exam is not super easy. You will have scenario-based questions, so you need to prepare well, and these two courses will definitely help. You don't need any programming skills to take this course, and as well as to take the consultant exam. If you're ready to boost your career, take your career to the next level, do check out my courses. The link is in the description. And also, if you want to book a consultation call with me, the link for the consultation call is also given. I am starting a new live developer training batch in October. So if you're interested to join that training, check out the links that are given in the description. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you want to subscribe to the channel, please click the subscribe button so that you don't miss any new videos from the channel. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.